We got Bob's Crane Service here on the job. About ready to set up. So there's the big old tree sitting up there. Still on the roof here. Wow, you can see the base 15 foot across. Okay, we'll keep you posted. I just took all the weight right off that house. It's a big pluck. A tree surgeon, tree services at its finest, along with Anton's Tree Service, cousin company here, just knocking things out. The strongest, most aggressive crew in town. No one could get a crane out here like we do because we do so much of this. Got the BC 2000 sitting right there. Munches on 20 inches of wood like nothing. Jamul, we're in Jamul. Give us a call, 619-381-0763. Emergency tree removal services, Jamul, 91935. Provided by a tree surgeon and Anton Services. Please give us a call at 619-381-0763. We're at a 100-foot pine here. 5-foot stump, 20 feet across with the roots all gone. Everything's all done here.
Ganda niya.